Hi guys, welcome to Kidz Vidz. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an Apple Watch. The materials you need is one piece of paper, pencil, scissors, and an eraser in case you make a mistake, and some tape. So let's get started. Take the sheet of paper and fold it in half like this way. And then open it up, and then take only one side of this and fold it to the middle. And then you're gonna take your scissors and cut this part off. So now that I've cut this part off, so you should only have two pieces on this side left. And then you take this and fold it in half. And then take some tape and you're gonna tape this thing. So this is gonna be the band. So now that I've taped it, you should have something like this. Now take the second piece, cut that part off. Then take this and fold it in half. And then fold it one more time. We're going to do the exact same steps from the band, but we're going to do something different after we tape this. Just one more piece of tape and I should be done. Okay, so now that I'm done, this is the different part. You're gonna take this and roll it up. But you have to make sure there is a hole between them. Like this, see? So there has to be a hole, like a little slit while you're rolling it. If you don't have a slit, you could just unfold it and do it again. Okay, and then after you've done that, I have a hole in there, and you're going to tape this. Okay, so now that I've done that, you're gonna take your band, and you're gonna take this, and you're gonna slide it right through, like this. See? Now you're going to take your last piece and you're going to make the screen. First step is you're going to want to turn this into a square. So fold it like this. And you're going to cut this part off like you normally do with the A4 piece of paper. And then you should have the square. And then what you're going to do is fold it on this side also. And then what you're gonna do is fold it in half. And then you're gonna fold it in half one more time. And then you're going to take this and fold this in half. And then you're gonna take this and fold it to the middle. And you're gonna take the other side and fold it to the middle also. And you're gonna fold this part in, and then you're gonna take some tape and you're gonna tape this side. Well, you need some space to decorate it, so like I showed you in the first video, you take this piece of tape and roll it up. Okay, so now that I've stuck it, should be like this. And then you're gonna take your band and you're going to like, if there isn't a pocket right here, you could just stick it right over here. And after you stick that, you're done with your Apple Watch. But there's one last thing to do. You can also decorate it. So, take a pencil and write the time up at the top. I'm just gonna write 10 o'clock. So now that I've wrote that, you're going to write in the bottom 5 unread meals. You could write as many numbers as you want, I'm just doing 5. And then you could put a text box here. And then you could put some calories here. 10 calories. So now that I've done that, you're done with your Apple Watch. Let's decorate this with a marker, and I'll show you how it should look when it's completed. So it looks like this when it's completed. And also you can color the band whatever color you like. Now I'll wear it and show it to you. So this is how it looks like when it's completed. Check it out. And also, I like the color of my band white, so you can just keep it like any color you want. Red, blue, green, it's up to you. And also, I made 2 more samples. Bye guys! If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link over here. Bye!